What's up? Danny Hayasaka with Cohen and Hell Direct, helping people do their business better. So we're standing in the Jabra booth at Enterprise Connect 2024 with Sharath Abraham, and he's going to talk to you a little bit about the Jabra PanaCast VBS and the Jabra PanaCast 50 room system. So Sharath, take it away.
What's happening? Sharath, Sam the Man Abraham, representing Jabra, as I would say. So what are we looking at today? You may be wondering. So on the right side, we have a PanaCast 50 connected to a Windows operating system run by Lenovo and a touch panel. That's an everyday, everyone's always used to running Microsoft Teams or Zoom on a Windows machine. But everyone's already used to that, right?
Yep.
The new kid on the block, as I would say, is the VBS.
VBS.
So VBS, what does that stand for? Not Vacation Bible School. It stands for Video Bar System, right? So the Video Bar System, what does that actually mean? What's the system? This thing is the system, along with this panel. So you take it out the box, and then you look on the back of it. There's two HDMI outs, so you can have it as a dual display system. An HDMI in for content sharing, right? Just in case I wanted to showcase my turkey drawing that I draw on my laptop. And then I have Ethernet ports and also a USB-C port. Once that's all hooked up, you have the panel. The panel's powered over PoE. You may be wondering, what does PoE stand for? Power over Ethernet. So once it's powered up and it's on the network, it boots up, and then all you have to do is go through the setup. Easy peasy. This one's in Teams mode, but it can also put it in Zoom mode. Now, the best questions I always get is, can I flip between both those modes at the same time? And I'm like, no, you can't, all right? You can't do it at the same time. So the idea behind this is you can have it in Teams mode, Zoom mode, and it's very easy to set up.
One of the things that we're going to do is host an event with Jabra April 30th so that you guys can come and physically see the Jabra PanaCast 50 VBS in action. You can do it virtually or in person. We'll include a link to that registration in the description box below. And as always, if you like this type of content, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see.
Hit that like button, baby! Hit it! Subscribe! Today!
Love it. All of that. All right, see you next video.